Tried and true, we believe wood finishes can be both protective and safe to use. Tried and true products are all natural, hand-rubbed wood finishes that provide lasting protection and are 100% safe for food and skin contact. They're designed to highlight the grain patterns and bring out the natural color tones of the wood. Tried and true finishes are solvent-free with no heavy metal dryers, no chemical additives. We only use all natural, renewable ingredients. Tried and true is safe. How safe? Consider the harsh ingredients in our competitors' finishes. Compare that to the simple, natural ingredients of tried and true wood finishes. Danish oil, polymerized linseed oil. Original wood finish, polymerized linseed oil and beeswax. Varnish oil, polymerized linseed oil and pine sap resin. Tried and true stain plus finish, polymerized linseed oil and all natural earth pigments. Tried and true is the perfect choice for all interior woodworking, including but not limited to butcher block countertops, cutting boards, baby cribs, wooden toys, tables, furniture, wooden instruments, window frames, doors, floors, and much more. Tried and true wood finishes. So natural, it's like a hug from Mother Nature.